Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to cancel your premium Roblox subscription. This will be a very quick and easy tutorial since it is very straightforward. First you have to go to roblox.com, which I already have opened here, and then after that go into settings. The settings, if you're having a hard time finding it, will be on the top right corner here. We click that and then click on settings. Once we're in settings, we look at the left side here, and then we find the subscriptions tab and then click it. And if you have any subscriptions, it will show up here. And to cancel that subscription, you just have to click on the arrow which is right around here. And then after clicking that arrow, a cancel subscription will show up. And then just click that and then confirm it. If you are using a phone though, let's say an iPhone, you have to go to your settings instead of the Roblox app and cancel the subscription there. That will be all for this video. And if you like the video, tap that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.